Hi everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to install Tor Browser inside the Kali Linux and take use of Tor Browser. So guys, for that you need to open your Kali Linux, and after that you need to navigate to terminal window. So when you hit enter, you can see that this is the terminal window that we have. So currently I am logged in as Kali user, I am not logged in as root user. Okay. So guys, here I'm going to give some command, and after that command Tor is going to download the files inside my system. Okay, so for that you need to add first of all apt get install. As we all know, for installing any software we need to type these commands: Tor browser launcher, and now hit enter. So what it is doing, okay, so it is asking for the permission, so we need to give permission here. First of all, let's clear this, and again give permission here, sudo, and hit enter the password. And guys, as you can see that what it is saying here is Tor browser launcher is already installed, okay, in this newest version. Okay, so if you are using newest version, so Tor browser is already there. So what you need to do here is simply type here Tor. So after doing this, as you can see that we are having this Tor. So first of all we need to terminate this, and let's back here and type here Tor. So this is the application menu. So after hitting on Tor, as you can see that it start downloading some files, and it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna take too much time. As you can see that the speed here, it depends upon your internet speed. So my internet speed is working very well. So now it is verifying the signature, and let's see what it is gonna do. So now it is installing. So this is after this process we can take use of it, and it will take some time. So as we all know that how Tor browser works, and how root Tor nodes and encryption, decryption works inside it. So what it is asking here is click connect to Tor. So what we need to do here is simply click on connect, and after doing this, as you can see that please wait while establishing a connection to the Tor. So we need to wait till the completion of this whole line, and then we can move to the next menu. Okay, so after doing this, as you can see that we are having this Tor browser here. Now if you want to do anything, you can do here. Suppose that I want to go to google.com. now hit enter. Let's see it is going to work or not. So in addition to being capable of accessing nearly any website on the traditional internet, so the Tor browser is capable of accessing the dark web also. So the website that make up the dark web requires anonymity, so they allow access only through the Tor browser, and they have addressed ending in .onion for their top level domain. So the dark web is infamous for illegal activities, but a number of legitimate services are also available there. So a word of caution here is when accessing the dark web, you may come across material that many will find offensive. So take care of all of these things. And guys, I hope you understand how to use Tor, and you can use it any way you want. So this is all for this lecture.